Are you looking for the best portable air conditioner with dehumidifier? With all the products available on the market, the process of finding the right air conditioner can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you, we've researched and tested many of the most popular products to bring you this best rated product. And this is the specifications of the product.
Big cooling in a compact size. That's the ROLLICOOL Alexa-enabled 10,000 BTU portable AC unit by Rollibot. A modern comfort control solution for cooling on demand. The streamlined design and 360-degree caster wheels make it possible to deliver comfort wherever you need it. Control your cool with Alexa skills. You can start and stop cooling, change the modes, even set the temperature to get your room comfortable, ready before you even step foot in your home. Follow these simple steps to set up the unit. These sections thread into one another and should be placed within a window gap. Vertical and horizontal options. Thread section B onto the end of section A. The screw fasteners are used to secure the sections together and can be loosened or tightened when adjusting. Thread section C onto the end of section B. Slide to connect. Tighten the sections with the screw heads. By tightening and loosening screw fasteners, you can adjust the section's length. Install the assembled window kit into the gap between the window and the frame. Push the window closed to secure. Install the connectors onto the exhaust pipe. Before the next step, you may need to unfurl the pipe on each end. Rotate the outer connector clockwise around the pipe. Rotate inner connector clockwise around the pipe. Install the exhaust pipe into the back side of the unit. Slide from right to left to fit the air vent slot. Align the outer connector with the window kit's outlet. Then affix the exhaust pipe onto the window kit. The simple, user-friendly LED control display provides full control over the AC unit, and you'll have the power of cool at your fingertips. Save money on your monthly energy costs by cooling only the areas you need. The smooth, gliding 360-degree caster wheels add portability to the Cool 208-20. Download the ROLLICOOL app, available on iOS and Android, and you'll have the power of cool at your fingertips. For your convenience, there is an app for this device. The app is compatible with most Android and iOS smartphones. Additionally, the unit can be paired with Alexa and other products from the Amazon Echo family. When app pairing, Bluetooth will become available as soon as you turn the ROLLICOOL on. Proper maintenance will help improve your ROLLICOOL's performance. Periodically, the ROLLICOOL will need its filters cleaned. For optimal performance, the filters should be cleaned at least twice a month. Big cooling in a compact size. That's the ROLLICOOL Alexa-enabled 10,000 BTU portable AC unit by Rollibot.
Here's what other features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.